Good morning, everybody. It is May 19th, Tuesday. So we had this, we're in this stock right now. The algorithm has switched, and we are in this long. We have the switch telling us to get in. Then we have permission and volume agreed. So we jumped in this thing, and hopefully we can have a nice, easy winner. Okay, so we're going to put in our stop at 1R. We're crossing 1R right now, so 1 reward. We're putting our stop in. The strategies are based on risk reward, R's. So we have equal risk, equal reward. So basically 1R, 1R is 1 reward, 1 risk. And we're trying to get at least a 1-to-1. So we got our 1-to-1 locked in, and it looks like we're going to get a 2-to-1. Again, trading with my day trading algorithm. I don't need to know anything about candlesticks, chart patterns, support resistance, trend lines. I don't need any of that stuff. All I need is to see what my algorithm is telling me and just to trade it. All right, so hopefully we'll get a 2R out of this. I squeeze a little bit more here, 137.58. Let's get through there, and then we'll cancel this order and then put in our next order for 2R. All right. Almost got there. Come on, push a little more. A little more. I think I might just take this off as a market order. Market. Stop. Market. And all right, we're going to just jump out right there. All right, cool. So we got about 2R out of it. It was just touching that level. There's a lot of candle right here. These first two candles. This is a pretty big move. Yeah, Miley, with a lot of volume. So I wanted to jump out before there was no buyers left. The target is 1R. Everything after that is bonus money. And clearly I might have been able to get 3R out of it. But yeah, everything after this is just bonus money. So I took my bonus money, 86, 86, 85, 86. I have my glasses on. So yeah, so good day, good day. Yeah, clearly I could have got I got 2R out of it, but I might have been able to get 3. We'll see what this does. All right, we'll look around, see what else is available, and awesome. Okay, I just want to jump back in here and show you this real quick. So like I said, there's a lot of green, a lot of buying here. Is there any buyers left? I'm definitely just going to bounce out as soon as it touched 2R. I'm not even going to try to let it bubble through, and you can see how quickly it sold off. Now, maybe does it go back up, or does this continue? Who knows? But if you were in this ride and you were trying to hold out for 3R, you've been like, oh no. So you would have got stopped out with your 1R or somewhere in between. But yeah, I wanted to be quick, take that profit and my bonus money. All right, everybody. Hopefully there'll be something else to trade today. I don't know. We'll see what nothing's setting up right now, so it'll be a while, I think. So yeah, we'll see. All right, traders, that's going to do it for me today. I got to get out of here and get a bunch of stuff done. So I'm going to have to call it right there. But yeah, so we'll see everybody on Friday. I won't be here Wednesday or Thursday. We'll see y'all on Friday. Hope everybody else has an awesome day.